We have a beautiful variety of Lotus Handsom Hero, and I think it's only appropriate that we pass this one on to Jennings.
And I think that is a great idea.
Thanks, ladies. So I'm here to talk to you guys about the Handsom Hero, also known as June G. It is a large lotus with a wonderful pink color that actually has a slight hint of orange. Now, it is a multi-petal lotus, and it is a wonderful addition to your pond. Now, a cousin of the Handsom Hero is the Handsom Hero 13, or June G13. Now, this is very fascinating because it is a full double lotus, and it is also a multi-petal lotus. What's unique about it is that it is a large lotus. It is pink, and on the inside, on the center tips of the petals, is a little bit of a green coloration. It is an absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous lotus. You might as well have two cousins together in your pond. Today, we're talking about our 32-page informational lotus packet. Have you ever wanted a lotus and maybe just haven't known where to start? We have questions to answer topics such as, what kind of pot or what size pot do I need to plant my lotus in? You receive a handbook with every single lotus purchase you get on www.pondmegastore.com. So have no fear and order lotus here.